On the other side of the street I knew stood a girl that looked like you. I guess that's deja vu, but I thought this can't be true. Cause you moved to West LA or New York or Santa Fe or wherever to get away from me. Oh, but that one night was more than just right. I didn't leave you cause I was all through. Oh, I was overwhelmed and frankly scared as hell because I really fell for you. On the upside to a downward spiral, my love for you went viral, and I loved you every mile you drove away. But now here you are again, so let's skip to how you've been and get down to the more than friends at last. Oh, but that one night is still the highlight. I didn't need you until I came to, and I was overwhelmed and frankly scared as hell because I really fell for you. Sleep but love for you and a little time to get my head together too. On the other side of the street I knew stood a girl that looked like you. I guess that's deja vu, but I thought this can't be true. Cause oh, I swear to you, I'll be there for you. This is not a drive-by. Just a shy guy looking for a two-fly. Have to take her home.
Taglia dentro, taglia dentro! Taglia dentro!
una canzone a cambiare le regole del gioco, ma voglio viverla così questa avventura, senza frontiere, con il cuore in gola. Il mondo in una giostra di colori, e il vento accarezza le bandiere. Arriva un brivido e ti trascina via e sciogli in un abbraccio la follia. Notti magiche, inseguendo un gol sotto il cielo di un'estate italiana, e negli occhi tuoi voglia di vincere un'estate, un'avventura in più. Quel sogno che comincia da